Hello and welcome to Callisto's live YouTube channel. Today, well, first of all, let me say it's been a while. Finally back to it after the Christmas and New Year period. Getting back into some trading. I have been trading throughout Christmas and New Year period, but I haven't been posting anything really. I took a bit of a break. But now we're getting back to it. If I show you right here, you can see these are the trades that I've took through January, and then also 2022. We can see December over here. These are all the trades taken in December. So it's still been very busy with the trading. And now we're on to 2023. You can see 3rd, 4th, 5th, 9th, 12th, 13th, and then a bit of a break through the Christmas period, and then back on the 23rd. Sorry, not the Christmas period. This is January. A bit of a break through my birthday period. It's my birthday on the 21st. And I went away with the family and things like that. So a bit of a breakthrough there, and now we're back again, 23rd, 24th. So let's take a look at the trade yesterday in gold. And this was the trade right here, as we can see, pre-London session. If I just turn on my sessions indicator right here, this was yesterday, right? And it was this candle right here. We can see that price made a resistance here, early Asian session, and then it came and retested it with a rejection wick and then a bullish engulfing candle on the 1 hour. And then this is pre-London volume coming in here, right? So we can expect volume to come into the market. If we take a look at that on the 15-minute time frame, we can see the resistance, the break, the retest. And then this is a pattern that I have been using a lot, which has been very profitable and successful for me. I'm not gonna go through that too much. Don't want to give away too much, because this is something that I took a very long time learning and back testing on the charts and finding these setups. And now that I have that, know what I'm looking for, I see this all the time on so many different pairs, right? But as you can see, it comes away from the zone, pulls away, pulls back, and then we continue bullish, right? With the pre-London volume, with a break and retest, and the bullish engulfing here on the 1 hour time frame with the rejection wick. The trade was actually taken right here like that, 5 pips above that previous 15-minute low, 20 pip stop, and I took profits at a 30 pip take profit right there. I did aim, I was going for 45 pips, which did get hit right up here, but I actually took profits here at 30 pips once this candle pushed up into volume, pushed up into profit at a 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. And the 45 pip would have been around about a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So that was the trade yesterday there. You can see here, this is my MT5 right there. You can see there's the trade on gold, the two trades there, 94, 95, and we can see $935 profit so far for the month of January. So yeah, you can see here as well, you can see that it did go and hit the 45 pip take profit in the end. And you can see this live, this was taken live. Also do have a video of that somewhere here. Where is it? Gold buys. This is the one here from yesterday. So this is the trade happening live here. You can see that exact setup right here, the push up. This is the 50-minute time frame, push up, pull back, the continuation, and you'll see that's this right here, this pattern right here, right? You can see that, and then you'll see when it makes the bottom wick and then flips bullish, you can see triggers mean right here, and then does its thing for a little bit, and then eventually pushes up. Next 15-minute candle. You can see it comes all the way back down here, right? Pushes up and then comes all the way back down. So, these are the things you have to sit through sometimes. And then continues back up right at the close of the 15-minute. And then this is where I took profits here. Right at the end of the video, you'll see this was 31 minutes, right? 31 minutes, 2 15-minute candles here. You'll see I move take profits and I move the take profit. You can see there 30 pips, measured it, took the profits, and then You'll see me move the take profit down in a second. There we go, moved it down to where I actually took the trade there. Boom. See, 30 pips, took it right there. So that was the gold trade. There wasn't really too much else. I was looking at some trades here on GJ, but after this candle here drove all the way down around about 124 pips, I'd stopped looking at it because that was the move. Basically, I want to capture this move right here, right? But it didn't give me an entry to capture that move. So once that move is done, I'm not going to look at trying to take trades down here, even though we did push down a little bit more, because the chances are that price will retrace and correct some of this move, which you can see it did right here. So I was looking at sales on GJ, didn't happen, same as GA, right? But again, didn't give me an entry right here. There's the move, that's the move that we want to be in. Didn't really give me an entry. Euro USD as well, did the same thing, but again, didn't really give me an entry in here. And the move just pretty much happened, right, without too much of a pullback and any chance for me to get in. USD JPY, again, I was looking at this move down here, but again, didn't really give me too much of an opportunity to get in this trade here. We can see a small break and retest here, right, of that support level, term resistance, but nothing too much happening there for me. No real. You can see this price action, right? Price moves down, but it's very down and then back up and then down and then back up and then down and then back up, right? We want to see a sharp move down with a short pullback and then continuation to bring price down or up, which is exactly what happened on gold. And you can see kind of happens here, right? We got the sharp move up, small pullback, and then continuation. And this is where we want to see, right? This is where we want to be entering price in these levels right here to take price back up to the upside. You can see there's no big one, there's not one candle that just drives price all the way up here, which would have given us a chance to enter on one of these. But I was in bed at this time. This is like 11-12 p.m. for me, 12 a.m. So yeah, that was yesterday. So you can see, right, what I'm talking about with gold. It gave us, right, we got the move up, the pullback on the 1 hour, and then on the 15-minute it starts to move and gives us a chance to get in here, right, with the confirmation of the break and retest of this resistance turn support. Pre-London volume, price is moving to the upside right here. You can see the last previous point of interest right here was this this level right here. You can see, right, in this move to the downside, right, we got the move to the downside, breaking that previous support, pulls back, creates a lower low, lower high, lower low, and then price starts breaking up above that, retests it, continues moving bullish. So at that point, like I said, we had that level, break and retest, pre-London volume, bullish price action showing us where price wants to move, right? And then we just execute on that. So that was the trade yesterday in gold. And I just do want to say, I just have today started a Telegram channel right here, Callisto's live journal. So we'll be posting the link to that down below in the video description or wherever it may be. And if you're interested in following my trades or seeing how I trade, right, I'll be posting every trade I take before and after in this Telegram channel now. It's basically just going to be my journal, right, where I keep track of my trades, and you can also keep track of them as well. So I'll be posting some pre-market analysis when I'm about to enter the trade, and then the aftermath of the trade, right? So I'll be posting my ideas in there. If you guys want to go over and check that out, join the channel and kind of just follow my trades and see where I take them and things like that. So yeah, the description will be below. That is all for today. So that was yesterday's trade. We'll see what is happening in the markets today. I'm and we'll see what today brings for us here. What day is it? Today is a Wednesday, 25th, coming to the end of the month of January. January is just gone so quick. Jesus Christ. It's like, I still feel like it's Christmas for some reason. But yeah, check that out. Check the Telegram out. Sub to the channel if you are interested in more of these videos. We are on the road to 1,000 YouTube subscribers. This year, we're going to go big. We're going to go hard. I do have this is my main strategy, but I do have a strategy that I'm going to be giving you guys for free that I have been looking at. I've been using for quite some time. It doesn't involve the daily time frame. You can see this is the daily time frame, right? This is AUD NZD. This was one of the trades, of course, that I've been watching. I didn't enter this trade, but all these trades I'm watching. Here's GJ, right? GJ right there, NZD USD, AUD JPY. This is pushing up into a little bit of drawdown, but we do have this key daily level, right? You can see, boom, 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 that we'll see if this level holds. USD JPY, it's in a slight bit of profit. Looking at Euro JPY to come into this level right here. Euro USD, I can get rid of that. Oil, right? Brent crude oil. We're looking for a push up into 89272. We've got AUD CAD again, AUD pairs. This is off of we did have Australian dollar inflation rate today, so this news is what's pushing Australian dollar bullish. Euro CAD again, another key level here. We're looking to wait and see if we can get a drop here on Euro CAD. AUD CHF again, more Australian dollar news. So we'll see. We're still within this zone, right? So we could still reject the top end of this zone. We've got like that level right there. So this is a pretty heavy zone. You can see that there was a trade here as well last week, which that would be stops, and that would have hit the 1 to 1.5 take profit, right? So we've already had a bounce of this zone with a nice trade. And now we're getting this second bounce, so we'll see what happens here. Australian dollar could gain some strength off of the inflation news today, of course, which helped Australian New Zealand dollar. This trade right here hit the 1 to 1.5 take profit. Waiting on New Zealand CAD to come up into 0.87501, and then we have NZD CHF, which is in a slight bit of profit. So overall, most trades are in profit, with the Australian dollar pairs pushing up pretty heavily off of the news, like I said, the inflation news on the Aussie dollar today. But this is a strategy, and this is something that I'll be showing you guys quite a bit going into the future. This is something that I'm not currently trading at the moment, because I am looking to set up a second account. I don't want to trade my main strategy right here and then another strategy on the same account. So I will be looking at a broker which I can transfer some funds into, and then I'll start trading here on this strategy on a different broker or a different account, right? So we'll see what happens with that going into 2023 here, but I'll definitely be making some videos on this once it's all set up and running smoothly, and I've kind of streamline this strategy a little bit more. But yeah, exciting things to come for 2023. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I'll probably see you if there's any trades tomorrow or during this week. I'll see you for some more videos tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.